Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is also a very good day, and it's giving me a light vibe. I can say it's happiness if you have a good biscuit in your hand, a green tea, and a bright sunny day. Please keep watching, stay tuned. Today it's going to be like a cooking day for me. I'm going to make a morning meal, so I'm rinsing this rice. I took a tomato, chilies, onion, and garlic for the curry. Now I'm going to cut this vegetables. I didn't find actually both juices here in the plate, and it's very easy. Actually, I'm here, but easy. Yes, cook basically. I'm cooking today. I have put haldi, chicken masala, and a salt in these chopped vegetables, and now I'm gonna fry it. Now I'm going to make a dry fish chutney. I've smashed the chilies already. It's ready to serve. We have yam boil, dry fish chutney, and an egg curry. After an hour, we have nowhere to go, so I'm just relaxing on the bed with Mimi and Daddy, names I've given them recently. I took some time staring by the window, viewing this beautiful view of Kohima town. I'm planning to go for a ride to see more beauty like this of nature.
어느새 그때가 불어와 내게 기대며 I feel you everything 눈에 가득 담은 그대가 더 선명해져서 조금씩 내게로 번져 시려오는 밤이면 멀어질까 아득히 숨겨두었던 지쳐있던 내 맘을 감싸준 그대 When I look into your eyes Someday 영원할 것 같은 그 순간처럼 우연인 듯